In commercial real estate, every decision lives in a document. Months per deal, weeks per draft, hours per question, locked in documents. And AI? Most AI products don't live there. Bryckel changes that. Inside Microsoft Word, where your team drafts, reviews, and redlines. Inside Excel, and where your team underwrites and models. Inside SharePoint, and where your portfolio lives. AI deployment, where you work, your model of choice. Faster decisions, cleaner data, secure everywhere your team works. Bryckel AI implementation of pre-built tools inside your walls.